Okay, now we're going to look at number 29. This one is different because it gives you values here in this second row, and it gives you only one value here in this bottom row. And we need to figure out what belongs here. Normally, we'd add both of these numbers to get 17/18. However, we sort of have to work backwards, where we need to think, okay, if I added these together and I have their total, what can I do with the 17/18 and the 1/6? Well, hopefully you realize that if you subtracted these values, you'd get this box. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. And we said this was number 29. Oops, that's not my paper. Number 29 says 17/18 minus 1/6. And both of these, if you notice, are positive integers, but we are doing a subtraction problem. And so that's the purpose for having this subtraction sign. Sorry, I have my dog in my room today. Shh, quit. I have to have a common denominator. I'm going to go ahead and use 18, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3. 17/18 stays the same, but 1 times 3 is 3, 6 times 3 is 18, and remember it's subtraction, so 17 minus 3 gives me 14/18. I think I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. We can definitely divide by 2, both top and bottom. That's going to give me 7/9, and I can't go any further with that. So 7/9 goes neatly in this box right here. If I added those together, I'd get 17/18. Now, I sort of have to do the same thing here. I have 7/9 as my total for these two numbers, which means, again, working backwards and subtracting. So let's draw a little line. 7/9, and I'm subtracting 1/6. Between 9 and 6, let's see. I guess we can do it times 9 here and times 6 there. Ooh, no, 18. Let's do 18. Hello. So that's times 3. That's times 3. That's times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 14 minus 3 gives us 11/18. And again, if we played tug-of-war, we would still end up with a positive value. 11/18 belongs in here. And then my last step is to just add my 17/18 and my 7/9. I also know that 7/9 needs to be multiplied by 2, and that gives me 14/18. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add these together, 17 and 14. And I get 31. Oh, that's a problem. 31/18. I can't keep 31/18. It's improper. So we're going to move over here. 31/18. This is a fraction bar, which means division. That's 31 divided by 18. We are going to end up with a mixed number. That's how I know I've set this up correctly. 18 doesn't go into 3. 18 into 31 goes once. Subtract 13. Then I go ahead and find my answer. This 1 is my whole number, 13 is my numerator, and 18 stays as my denominator. So the answer is 1 and 13/18. And that pyramid is complete.